Hello students, welcome back to class. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 7.3 and its example. In last video, we have discussed exercise 7.2 of chapter number 7, comparing quantity. Let us start. What is example number 7. A sum of this exercise is related to simple interest, compound interest. So let us see what is example number 7. Sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed at a rate of interest 15% per annum for 2 years. Find the simple interest on this sum and the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. We need to find out simple interest. Simple interest on this 10,000, which sum is given to us? Sum is given 10,000. Simple interest we need to find out, and after that we have to find out amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. So let us see how we can do this question. What is sum, amount? You can say principal. Principal is rupees 10,000 and rate of interest rate of 15%. Rate of interest is 15%, and time is, what is time? Time is 2 years. 2 years. So 15% meaning is on rupees 100 we have to pay 15 rupees as interest. Okay. So we need to find out simple interest. I told you formula also for finding simple interest. Otherwise you can find out 15% of 10,000. That will be interest. Means you can find out on 100 rupees interest is rupees 50. Interest is rupees 15, and on 10,000 you can find out what will be rate of amount of interest. And with formula, principal into rate into time by 100. What is principal? We can find out together for 2 years. Rate is 15% and time is 2 years by 100. 20 to 20 cancel. It is 15 to the 30. 30 into 100, 3,000. What is rate of amount of simple interest? 3,000. This is simple interest, and amount we have to find out. Amount at the end of 2 years. At the end of 2 years, you will add this simple interest to your principal. That will be amount. Amount will be principal plus interest. Principal is 10,000 plus 3,000. Answer will be 13,000. What is amount paid at the end of 2 years? That is 13,000. Next example, example number 8. What is example number 8? Find compound interest CI on rupees 12,600 for 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Compounded annually means rate of interest you have to is given for 1 year. At the end of 1 year you have to find out interest. So how we can find out CI? Compound interest. What is given to us? Principal value is rupees 12,600 and time is 2 years, and rate of interest is 10% per annum. This is PA, per annum. Means this interest is calculated annually. Now we need to find out compound interest. We know how we can find out amount. amount will be principal into 1 plus r by 100 its power time. In introduction video we already discussed, we have discussed these formulas. First of all, amount. What is principal? Principal is 12,600. 1 plus rate is 10 by 100 and power is 2. So 12,600 as it is, and it will be 102, 10 cancel, 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. These 20 to 20 will be cancel. And now 126 into 121. 126 into 121. You have to multiply. That will be your answer. That will be your amount. That will be your amount. Now how we can find out CI, compound interest, amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. In this way you can find out CI. You will find out first of all amount using this one formula, P into 1 plus R by 100 its power time. Use all these value, and after that you have to multiply, and after multiplication you will get your amount, and then we have to find out compound interest. Compound interest will be amount minus principal. What is next example? Example number 9. What is example number 9? The population of a city was 20,000. These are some application based upon the formula of this amount. What is our amount formula? This amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 its power T. And these are some application based upon this formula. The population of a city was 20,000 in year 1997. It increased at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the population at the end of 2000. At the end of 2000. This population was in 1997, and we need to find out population in 2000 at the end of 2000. So how many years gap is there? 3 years. What is? You will write population initial population or population in, you can say initial population or population in 1997 was 20,000. This was 20,000, and it is increased rate of increasing population. This population is increased with 5% per annum, means per year increasing with the rate of 5%. Find the population at the end of 2000. It's mean it is similar to that amount after 3 years. 97 to 98 1, 98 to 99 2, and 99 to 2003. So how many years? There are 3 years. You will write time period is 3 years. Time is 3 years. So you will find out population at the end of year 2000. It will be 20,000 into 1 plus R. What is rate of increasing population? It is 5 by 100 and its power is 3. It will be 20,000 into, you can cancel 5 into 5, 5 to the 10, this 0 as it is, 21 to 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 and its power 3. Then it will be 20,000 into 21 into 21 into 21 by 20, 20 and 20. These 30 to 30 will be cancelled. It is 20 into 21 into 21, 441 into 21. So its multiplication, if you will multiply, you will get by 2 twos are 4 twos are 8. Further also you can simplify. This is 20 into 441 into 21 by 8. If you will multiply and you will divide it, then you will get your answer 23,152.5. This will be your answer. Question number 9 is, example number 9 is completed. This calculation you can do, and after calculating you will get your answer. Next example is example number 10. A TV was brought at a price of rupees 21,000. After 1 year, the value of the TV was depreciated. Depreciated means it is decreasing by 5%. Depreciation means reduction of the value due to use and age of the item. Find the value of the TV after 1 year. Okay, now what is this? A TV was bought at the price of rupees 21,000. So this is its principal. What is cost price? You can say cost price of TV is rupees 21,000 after 1 year. Time is 1 year. Time is 1 year. The value of TV was depreciated by 5%. Depreciating, it is decreasing, depreciated by, you can say this is a rate of depreciating, rate of depreciating is 5%. Rate of depreciating is 5%. So we need to find out, this is also application of formula which we are using for finding amount, means after 1 year its value we have to find out. So price of or value of TV after 1 year, it will be 21,000 into 1 minus, this time it is a reduction of price. So in place of plus you are going to write minus. It is depreciating. Depreciating means it is decreasing by 5%. So 1 minus 5 by 100 and its power 1. This one you will write, it is 21,000 into 5 is 5, 5 20 is 100, 20 ones are 20 and minus 1. It is 19 by 20. This 1 0 to 1 0 will be cancelled. Divide with 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 5s are 10 and this 0 as it is. 10, it is 1050 into 19. Answer will be 19,000, 19 5s are 95, 19 ones are 19, 19,950. So what will be cost after 1 year? It will be 19,950. So this is a depreciated cost after 1 year. Example number 10 is completed. Now exercise 7.3, example number 1. The population of a place increased to 50,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. We need to find out population in 2001. This is population in 2003. It is increased population means similar to amount, and population we have to find out in 2001. It's when we are going to find out its population before 2 years, means it is similar to our principal. In this case, If we will correlate this question with our amount formula, then this is amount given to us 54,000 and we have to find out our principal value. So you will write increased population in 2003, it is 54,000 and it is increased by 5%. Rate of increasing population is, this is 5%. Now first part, the population in 2001, this is in 2003 and population in 2001 we have to find out. So what is time gap? It is of 2 years. So you will write time is 2 years for this one, from 2001 to 2003. So you will write, this is 54,000 because it is similar to amount. Amount formula is 1 plus r by 100, p into 1 plus r by 100, its power time. There we need to find out this principal. So how we can find out? This amount means population in 2003 is equals to population in 2001. This p will denote population in 2001 into 1 plus r is 5% by 100 and its power is 2, because 2 year gap is there between 2001 to 2003. So this principal we need to find out, and this p is denoting population of a place in 2001. Now we need to simplify 54,000 as it is equals to p into, this will be cancelled with 20 ones are 20 plus 1, 21 by 20, and it is 2 times. So you can write this p equals to 54,000 into 21 by 20, then it will be reciprocal, it will be 20 by 21 and it is 2 times, so I have to write it 2 times. Now see, this p is equals to 54,000 into 400 by 441. Now if you will simplify this one, then you will get your answer 48,979.5, or approximate value you will say 48,980. This will be population in 2001. This will be population in 2001. Okay, now this first part is completed. We have to do second part. What would be its population in 2005? In 2005, what will be population? Time difference will be 2 years from 2003 to 2005. Time will be 2 years, and same formula you are going to use. This time you need to find out amount. This will act as your principal and we have to find out amount. It will be principal into 1 plus r by 100 its power time. I think second part you can try yourself. Let us see what is question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. Let us see, this is also one application of formula of amount. What is this? Rate of increasing bacteria. Rate of increasing bacteria is 2.5%. This is per hour. per hour. And what was the count of bacteria? Initially it was 5 lakh 6,000. Initially count of bacteria. Initially count of bacteria is 5 lakh 6,000. And we have to find out bacteria at the end of 2 hours. At the end of 2 hours. After 2 hours, we need to tell what will be the increase in count of bacteria. That time is 2 hours. So we can find out count of bacteria at the end of 2 hours. It will be count of bacteria in starting similar to it is acting as a principle. 1 plus R is 2.5 by 100 and power is 2. Power is 2. This I will write. This is 5 lakh 6,000 into 1 plus. If you will remove this decimal, then you can write 25 by 1000, it's power 2. 25 with the 25, 25, 4 is 100, this 0, as it is. It will be 5 lakh 6,000 into 40, ones are 40 plus 1, 41. 41 by 40 into 41 by 40. So it is 5 lakh 6,000 into 41 into 41 by 1600. These 20 to 20 will be cancelled. And if you will multiply this one and divide by 16, then you will get 5 lakh 31,000. 5 lakh 31,616.5. 5 lakh 31,616.25 it will be. It will be 25. This is count of bacteria at the end of 2 hours. Rate of increasing of bacteria is 2.5% per hour. And initially count of bacteria is 5 lakh 6,000 and time is 2 hours. Count of bacteria at the end of 2 hours is 5 lakh 6,000, 1 plus 2.5 by 100, it's power 2. Then if you will calculate and you will simplify, then your answer will be 5 lakh 31,616.25. So question number 2 is completed. Now question number 3. This is last question of this exercise. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Okay, this is a depreciation price we have to find out, and depreciation point. Before this, in one question we already discussed what is depreciated value. This is a decrease in value of given article. So what is cost price of scooter? Cost price of scooter is 40 rupees 42,000. And what is the rate of depreciation? Rate of depreciation of price of scooter is 8%. This is 8%. We need to find out its value after 1 year. Time is 1 year. Time is 1 year. So I will find out value of scooter after 1 year. What will be value of the scooter after 1 year? It will be This after 1 year value is acting like an amount, and this initial price is as a principal 42,000 into 1 minus, because this is a depreciating rate, so I will write minus 8 by 100 and its power is 1, because after 1 year we need to find out its a depreciated value. Then it will be 42,000 into, you can simplify 100 minus 8, it will be 92 by 100. 42,000 into 92 by 100. These 20 will be cancelled. 420 into 92. And if you will multiply 420 with 92, you will get your answer 38,640. 38,640. This will be your answer, value of scooter at the end of 1 year. This is depreciated value of scooter at the end of 1 year. So our chapter is completed with this question. This was the last question of exercise 7.3. So next questions we will, next chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.